Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How is everyone doing today? Wake up, lazy bones. It's Monday. We're back at school today. Monday, April 20th, 2020 for 4-2020. How is everyone? Did everyone have a wonderful weekend? Did you get outside in the pretty weather? Yeah, I know me and my kiddos, we went and took a bike ride yesterday. Whew, that was hard. Well, I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend, and I am happy to see that you are back and ready to get this week going. Okay, not a lot of announcements this morning. I know I get to see my special friends Elena, Valentina, and Bella today for our one-on-ones. Yay! Don't forget we have class check-in at 11:30 to 12. So if you have any questions about absolutely anything, I'll be on Zoom. So just hop on in there. Let's see. Really don't have much of anything. Oh, let me go over our one pagers. Remember, it's a brand new week. If you have not done your performance task from last week, it needs to be turned in, okay? I did email a few of you. So just make sure you get those in because you'd hate to have those to do and the 3 for this brand new week, okay? Because that's kind of a lot. So, all right, so let's see. Okay, so for ELAR today, new one pager. Today you are going to listen to me read a nonfiction instructional informational book. Okay, so today is all about just listening and enjoying. Okay, and I give you instructions on here on, yes, you can watch it on YouTube, but I'd love for you to follow along and read it too, okay? So I give you instructions on where to go. You'll click up at the website that's located at the top up here above all these little boxes. It's this link right up here on top. And then you go through all these instructions right here to get to the book. Super easy, okay? Let's see, y'all, science is fun this week. We are going to be talking about baby animals. I love baby animals. Who doesn't love baby animals? So here's your, let's see, my ink's going out. So those were 2 lions, I think. Okay. So this week in science, we're learning about parents and their babies. Okay. And you're going to listen to Miss Buchek is teaching science this week, and she has a special treat for you guys on lesson 3. It's so adorable. Okay, and then for math, Mr. Kuhn has got some wonderful videos for you guys to watch with him. Make sure you're following along and doing the work with him, okay? Working out story problems this week. When you guys work out your story problems or any math problems, make sure you show your thinking. Make sure you show me your work. How did you get your answer? Which strategy did you use? Please don't just write the answer. Please don't just write the equation and give me the answer. How did you work it out? Show me all that beautiful work. Okay, so Mr. Kuhn's got a really nice video for you guys and your math story to do this week. Or today, actually, not this week. All right, well, I'm going to do some more reading of Jack and Annie. Wonder what stuff they're going to be up to today in our book. Other than that, have a marvelous, magnificent, memorable Monday. That's a lot of M's, right? All right, well, you guys, I miss you tons. Remember, keep up your high spirits, work really hard, do the best you can, and I will talk to you guys soon. It's Monday. Let's do our Chisholm Ridge Creed. Here at Chisholm Ridge, we will show respect for each other, embrace our day with heart and soul, and give our best to meet our goal. I love you guys, and I miss you so much. Reach out to me if you need anything, okay? Bye.